Okay, so let's start. Hello everyone. We all are gathered here to give you guys a brief introduction about SIGs that are currently running in CSI Student Chapter IPEC. So let's start with SIG Web.
Hello everyone, my name is Agrima and I am the current SIG head for this session. So, the web is a very big place, and if you are the typical internet user, you probably visit several websites every day, whether for business, entertainment, or education. But have you ever wondered how these websites actually work, how they are built, how do browsers, computers, and mobile devices interact with the web? So, with almost 1 billion websites now on the internet, the answers to these questions could be your first step towards a better understanding of the internet and developing a new set of internet skills. Now, Sparsh.
Okay, so in SIG Web, we get you up and running in the most creative and ever-growing field of development by providing knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, GitHub, version control system, and building a base for frameworks like Angular and libraries like React. We will also be completing a project at the end of the session where you will be applying your knowledge into practice and which will test the skills you inculcated in this SIG. So let's move on. Second we have is SIG CP. So I'm Sparsh Malhotra, and I'll be heading SIG CP along with Siddharth Singh. So in SIG competitive programming, we help you excel in procedural programming and problem-solving abilities by enhancing your knowledge in data structure and algorithms that are frequently asked in coding competitions. By joining SIG CP, you will equip yourself with essential programming techniques required for ACM ICPC, Google Kickstart, Code Jam, Facebook Hacker Cup, and many more coding competitions. Our SIG course covers the breadth and depth of algorithmic programming, starting from a recap of common data structures like array, queues, stacks, data, and other basic linear data structures to diving deep into essential and advanced algorithms. We will help you get to a solid grip of fundamental concepts, and we will also come with practice questions so that so that you can sail through online coding challenges and codeathons with ease. And this SIG will be language independent. So whether you are a C++ coder or Python or Java coder, it doesn't matter. But there is a prerequisite for joining SIG competitive programming. You must have a good command on any of the three main programming languages, that are C++, Java, or Python. And you must have an idea of basic data structures like array, stacks. If you have what it takes, then hop in. So next we have SIG Python.
Yeah. So hello everyone. I'm your SIG Python head along with Muskan ma'am for this session, and we'll be
Hello.
starting this session with the basics of Python programming language, and we'll be going through all the concepts through the session. Yeah. So Muskan ma'am.
Yeah, continuing with the basic data structures, and starting from the list, append and other functions related to Python, we'll continue with that, and along with it, we'll do some projects on the Python. As we all know, Python is the basic and the easiest language out of all, so you will easy to learn and grab it, and with that, you can do a lot of work and projects. Nishant, please.
Yeah. So hope to see you all at that side of the society. We'll be learning through the session, and we'll
Yeah,
be
we'll
enjoying
have
a
a
lot.
great fun. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
SIG Java, please.
So hello everyone, this is Akshay Bhatnagar with Aman Mishra, and we are from Computer Society of India, and we are the master slash head of SIG Java. In this introduction, basically, we will tell you guys about our SIG, what you should expect before joining us, and what you will learn from this. Starting from what you should expect, if you want to learn Java, obviously from scratch. Secondly, if you want to learn how to use data structures, basic data structures, and difficult concepts like recursion in Java, you can join us. Thirdly, if you want to know our past experiences in how to code under pressure, like coding in a contest, you can select our SIG. Now, what you will learn. So in this, we're going to start Java from scratch, as I've told you earlier. and we will try to take you guys at a point where you guys can code by yourself in Java language without our help. That will be our main aim till the end of the session. Thank you.
Okay, so next we have SIG Flutter.
Hello everyone, I am Karan Vaswani, the head of SIG Flutter, along with Dhruv Varshney, who is also the head of SIG Flutter. So what Flutter is Flutter is an open source framework by Google, which is used for building beautiful natively compiled multi-platform applications from just a single code base. So Flutter is currently in trending and will go up trending in future as the graph tells us. And what we will be studying the basics of Flutter. And the Flutter works on Dart language, so we will be studying basics of Dart language as well. Since it is a strongly typed language by Google, that would be easy to learn, and it would be dynamic language as well. After that, we will be learning about widgets and basics of Flutter and working of Flutter, and we will be developing some projects as well side by side. So hoping to see you all in Flutter SIG. Thank you.
Okay, next we have SIG C and Data Structure.
Uh, Hello guys, this is Tushar Agrawal from third year CAC branch. I am the head of C and Data Structure SIG. There is another head of C and Data Structure SIG, Mr. Raghav Maheshwari from third year. He is not present due to some reason. So basically, let me tell you what we're gonna learn in this C and DS SIG. Starting from the C, you will learn from the basics, the variables, data types, operators, expressions, functions, control flow statements, pointers, structure union, and file handling, preprocessor directives. And then in the data structure syllabus, we will cover arrays, strings, stacks, queues, and linked list. That's it. That's pretty much what you're gonna learn about. Thank you.
Okay, ठीक है.